Hi, friends, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Don't forget to like and share this video. Now, there's absolutely nothing more beautiful than seeing young people winning in life. And Thando Thabethe inspired us when we saw her buying her brand new car, you guys. This is so exciting for her. Yup, the media personality spoiled herself to a brand new Porsche. She showcased the car while driving around and vibing in it. I remember years ago when we saw her buying her mother a brand new car, and then she later bought her a house. Now, guys, we're talking about someone who's so humble. This is so inspiring, truly. And congratulations are in order for Thando. She truly deserves it. Guys, also please don't forget to share this video, comment, like. I will definitely see you on my next commentary. Bye.